In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a glow effect in Photoshop with this contour light tutorial for 2023. Whether you're enhancing a portrait or adding a creative flair to your artwork, this technique will give your images that extra pop of brightness and appeal. Before we dive in, make sure you have Adobe Photoshop open on your computer. Now, let's get started. First, we need to have our image ready to work with. Go ahead and open the image in Photoshop that you would like to apply the glow effect to. If you haven't already added your image, simply go to File and select Open. Navigate through your files to find and select the image, then click Open. Having the right image is crucial, as it provides the base on which we'll build our effect. Now that you have your image open in Photoshop, we're ready to move to the next step. Next, we need to select the object or area where you'd like the glow effect to appear. To do this, you can use the selection tools available in Photoshop. The Quick Selection tool or the Magic Wand tool are often ideal choices depending on the complexity of your image. With these tools, click and drag over the area of the image you wish to highlight with the glow effect. Ensure that you capture all regions where you want light to be more pronounced. Take your time with this step, as a precise selection will yield the best results. Once you've selected the object, the next move is to make a copy of it. This is done by right-clicking on the selected area and choosing Layer via Copy, or by simply pressing Ctrl+J or CMD+J on a Mac. Creating a copy helps maintain the integrity of your original image while giving you the freedom to adjust and modify your effect as needed. This new layer will serve as the foundation for our glow effect. With your copied layer selected, look towards the bottom of your Layers panel and find the small circle icon labeled FX. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, choose Outer Glow. This will open a new dialog box where we can customize the glow effect. Here, you have several options to adjust the size, spread, and range of the glow to perfectly match your creative vision. Be sure to experiment with these settings to achieve the desired glow intensity and hue. Use this opportunity to play around with different colors and opacities until you find what works best for your image. When you're happy with how the glow looks, grab your brush tool and start painting over the selected area. Make sure your brush is set to a soft round shape, which will help in smoothly blending the glow into the image for a cohesive look. By doing so, you add depth and dimension to the glow effect, making it appear more natural and integrated into the scene. Remember to adjust the brush's opacity and flow for finer control over the effect as you paint. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful way to add a stunning glow effect to your images in Photoshop. Experiment with adjustments and see how this effect can transform your projects. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.